All right, today on ClarksPlace, we're going to look at my new hood and trunk deck from AMD. I have pretty much stripped them all the way down and gotten primer on them, and I thought that they were pretty good, and then I looked at them the other day and realized that I had some issues. So I think you can see this discoloration. I think that that is almost like a rusty film that's coming through the seams from the back sides of the joints where I didn't spray in like these holes and get everything on the back side of the metal. So all this in here that you can see just a little primer got into those holes. It's almost like it's corroding from the inside. I mean, I sprayed these in primer and got them ready. I thought I was just gonna shoot them in some sealer, and then when I looked at this, I'm like, man, that is not cool. This has already been fit up for the I don't know if, I don't really see any on the hood here. I thought there were a couple spots on the hood that you could see a little bit of rusty type condensation in the corners and like seeping out in a couple spots. I'm not seeing them now that I'm running the camera, but what I think I'm gonna do is take spray paint, and I've got a long it's like for undercoating in your rockers and stuff. Slide that in there and just spray the spray paint and just try to get it in some of these hard to reach areas underneath. There you can see where I've kind of sprayed it primer. That's not a shadow, that's the gray primer, and then that's what I think is bare metal. I don't think from the factory they're dipped or anything. They just come with kind of a black coating, and I've pretty well sanded all the black and gotten primer in all the spots, but I think inside there it's just seeping out, and I'm not thrilled with it. So I'll do a little video of me spraying all the black inside all of these raised sections. I can slide the little tube of paint and spray down in each one of those crevices, so the whole back side of that panel, and maybe try to get it lean to where it will go into these corners and at least get some paint on the underside of them. So hopefully whatever that is that's on the underside will stop. And if you know what the heck it is, shoot me an email, let me know. So that's what we're doing today on ClarksPlace. You recording good?
Yep.
Okay. This is not the right cap. This is actually, this cap is off of an undercoating thing from Eastwood, I think, that we bought. So I'm just going to put this down in there, try to get it stretched all the way out, and then just put as much spray paint until it's running everywhere.
Oh. You got to put something under it. You're getting paint everywhere.
Yeah, this is
on the floor.
A little catastrophe happening here.
Yeah.
Let me use this. Well, we can see it's running around, and
grab that rag laying there. We'll throw the rag on there.
It's got so much dust on the floor it didn't even stick.
I know it hardly.
All right.
Oh, I was going to put it under the paper.
Oh, okay. Well, it's just going to have to be moved around.
I know, it won't go anywhere at least. Okay. It's definitely, you can see it coming out of the holes.
I'm going to try to go down that center guy there. Oh.
Yeah, we noticed a little bit of brown, which I would assume.
I did kind of
okay, kind of rust.
Quick overview of that.
Yeah. Well, we were talking, you know, primer is porous. You can't prime something and it lasts for a long time without rusting.
Come here and you can see how this shoots. Oh, look at the, it's actually coming out the other end.
Oh yeah. It's coming out here too.
Yeah, all right. Well,
so that means it's getting a mist inside there really good.
that's my whole point of this.
And probably from the factory, I don't know that things get painted on the inside before they put the two shells together.
Watch how it sprays.
Oh yeah, it sprays really nice.
All around, so. I might be a crazy man for doing this, but this is my forever car.
Oh yeah, you can see the smoke coming out of all these ends.
So I don't ever want to see a rust spot on this car. Well, I'm dripping paint all everywhere. Kind of doesn't want to go where I want because it's all curvy. Alright, there's another good stripe I got on that.
Good.
I'd like to get down that path if I could. Keeps feeling like it goes that direction. So I'll go whoop. Maybe it'll go.
You should have put a glove on.
Yeah. I didn't know the cap wasn't going to work. That isn't the right cap for this spray paint.
Yeah, feed it through there first. And there you go.
Sounds like it's going down that path. Yeah, it's down here now, so I got it where I wanted it at least. Alright, now let's try for the center. What a mess. Whew. Glad I did this now.
Yeah. Sounds like I went through the center. As far as it'll go.
Alright.
I think you got her.
I think I went down that way and back, so let's do in this guy a little bit. It's a slightly different, slightly new area. Let's go down the same. This might get all the way up into that corner.
Definitely will. It comes out of all corners of that trunk deck. The
man, look at that! Look at that! I'm in the corner. It just all piled out. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's not cool. It's absolutely ridiculous, but. One more down that way, and I think I'll be able to sleep at night.
Yes.
Thinking that this is all sealed. I just can't believe that rust. Alright, let's do some. I don't know if do I need to do it? Probably, because this isn't coated up in there at all. Right?
I don't know.
Golly, I'm just slinging paint everywhere. Oh, that's
that was real good. Shake it all over now. This will be a good video to post.
I'm telling you.
Some numbskull.
Nothing but professional work here at ClarksPlace. Alright, that's good. I'm happy with those.
Yeah, it's all coming out the side here. Well,
on my old hood,
it's pooling right there in the center as it's
maybe
running.
I need to rotate the hood some. I think I'm out of spray paint. Yep, I get another can.
Okay.
Oh, I threw away the stupid leaves instead of the can.
Yeah, it looks like a mess. I tip it up. I don't see it running.
How could you tell it was running?
No, I tried to tip it up, but it didn't run like it's a big pool of water or a big pool of paint in there.
Oh, it's running all the way down to here, so hopefully it gets in. Yeah, I can see it's running right there. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, if you've got a forever car and you're young enough that you're going to keep it for at least 20, 30 years, you might want to do this on your...
Did you see how all that came pooling out of there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Because they don't do this at the factory.
Oh, look, it all ran out there. That's awesome. Oh, it's running out of the seam, too. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, I've never, ever seen anyone do this. So this is my own harebrained idea. But that rust scared me. Like, I don't want my quote-unquote show car in the corners having rust come out when I've got the time and this takes $0.
Cost of the spray can, $1 maybe.
Okay, that is pretty.
You might want to check later that this lens doesn't have any speckles on it.
Oh yeah. Now when the sealer does not go over this and has a chemical reaction and nothing sticks and I have to strip everything down later, I'll be telling you, don't do this.
Now hopefully there's not somebody going, oh no, don't do it.
It's done. I can't help it. It's already done. Okay, so calling this done. Okay, I rotated it all around. You can see when I tipped it on its side, all that kind of ran down to this edge. So spraying all that, it was wet inside. It's still actually wet inside. I don't know if you can see a reflection. But rotated all the way around, you can see it came out this crease as well. So that's telling me that whatever is inside here can leak out there. So I'm saying, like this leaked out of this in this corner. So I'm saying rolling it and getting that sealed in there, like I said, I'll be able to sleep at night that it is all coated in there. And if rust starts within my lifetime while this car is restored, then I'll know I did my best to try. So yeah, I thought that was neat that that came through. All that wet paint just seeped right around and hopefully sealed all the bare metal that was in there that might be causing that rusty issue. So we'll see. Thanks, Pop, for the help. Bye-bye.